Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have an unboxing from Cross-Stitch VIP. I have unboxed items from them before. They were kind enough to send me some more things. Whereas last time I went for some simple printed cross-stitch items, this time I thought I'd go for some accessories. So let's see what they've sent me and how that fits in with what I expected. So, first things first is this super cute, and I thought it was pretty on brand for me. Little DMC palette for storing your silks while you are working, so you can keep them in order. I really loved the fact that it was a paint palette. It's really lovely. It's a I'm not sure what sort of wood it is. It's quite a thin, like a ply kind of wood, and we've got it etched in this pyrography style. Yeah, so it's all very nicely done. There's no splintery edges or anything. Everything is really nice. The next item that we've got from them wasn't the item that I initially wanted, but they emailed me and explained that the item that I wanted was out of stock and did I want to choose something else instead. So this was like my second choice. First choice was key rings. This choice, equally on brand though, bookmarks. And aside from the fact that there's little wooden bits poking out everywhere, these are, oh, they smell really lovely. It smells like bonfire from the laser cutting. Now, yeah, so they're a similar wood, but they're a thinner wood to the DMC palette. These come with a, let's see if I can get that in focus, probably not. It's a nice large eye needle. It comes with ribbons to make tassels for the ends, and then a nice selection of embroidery silks. So the idea with these is that you can add the tassel to the end and then cross stitch your own design, or embroider in any way you want, really, your own design through these holes. Great for children or people who are just starting out and are struggling with the small holes. Perfect if you've not got great eyesight, because you don't have to worry about finding a tiny pattern. And you get 5 blanks, 6 blanks in the kit. Did it say 6 or did it say 5? Oh no, it did say 6, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get the 6 blanks, and then we get 6 colours, 1 needle, and how many ribbons? Yellow, orange, purple, brown, blue, and pink. So I will do pricing at the end. Let's just look at the other item that we got, which is this little thing. There was a selection of these in different art styles. I chose this one, which is the sunflowers print. So looks like a lipstick case, but the idea is that you can use this for storing storing your needles, and then so yeah, so you can use it for storing your needles and then pop them away. Nice. Oh dearie me, that's not going to work, is it? Hold on a sec. let me look into this a little more. No, that goes into there. I'm just going to look up the actual listing for it. Okay, right, so went back and had a little read and realised that I was just being a bit awkward about it. I think this is going to take some getting used to, but the idea is just that you can drop your needle in there and then pop it away and it will stay there nice and safe. This magnets together and I don't know. I think it'll take some getting used to. It's a cute idea. It was a bit of a gimmicky item. I don't mind so much, really. It's fine. Obviously, given that I've not been able to get this to fully work, I will keep trying with it though, and I think there's just a bit of a knack to it. Price-wise, the lipstick pin cushion retractable sewing needle with oil painting design, which I'll show you that again. That is £3.31. The bookmarks set, 6-piece wooden blank bookmark slices, rectangle DIY embroidery hanging pendants, are listed as £3.52 for the set, so that is an absolute bargain. And the palette, £2.56, and comes in a variety of different designs. I liked the palette, but they have hearts and sort of circular ones. I think there was a fox or raccoon shaped one, certainly, and there was at least one animal. So there's plenty to choose from. I've been really happy with the products that I've got from VIP Cross Stitch in the past. I'm still working on my Pride heart that I got from them. But unfortunately, with my ongoing medical issues with migraines and eyesight and such, cross stitching tiny things has been kind of put on the back burner for now. So these hopefully will be brilliant for me, and I will be able to spend a little bit more time doing some sewing related crafts. So as I say, happy with everything I've purchased in the past. This is going to confuse me for a little while, I'm sure, but I will get to grips with it. I think it's just me. The other items I'm absolutely chuffed with. Really brilliant, great value for money. And I will pop all the links down in the description so you can take a look for yourself. Do go check them out. That's vipcrossstitch.com, and thank you to them for sending me these items to review. Really grateful. So that's all from me for today. Please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!